is how you edit for TikTok on Capcut. So right now I have my iPhone 13. I'm going to go into Capcut. I'm going to select a new project. Sorry, do not mind the nails. I'm going to pick some videos. Ice cream. Went to this Chinese restaurant. I went to the wine store, the liquor store, and the gym. That's the clips we're going to pick, okay? We're going to add it. I got 4 clips. This is how I edit for my vlogs and when I go out. See how long this clip is? We're going to shorten it to split that, delete that, 8 seconds. The part, we're going to go to the part I want. I want this part, so I'm going to go like that. 7 seconds. We're going to go to the part I want. Let's split it. Delete it. 9 seconds. Fine with me. That look like a good part. Delete it. Delete this Capcut. You don't need it. Now look at the video.
The basics.
Boom. A nice, quick daily vlog. Sometimes what I like to do. This is a vlog that I had made. Let's look at it. That food looking good. So right here, if I want to change how the video is moving, I can go to speed. I can go to curve. Oh, I don't know if you saw it. Let me go back. I can go to speed. I can go to curve. They usually have these different types of speeds, but I usually like to choose a montage or hero. Look. And look how it makes the video look. Or if I want to use hero, I can use hero. It doesn't look so good on this video, but it does look good on other videos. Or another thing I can do is go to style. Hit auto velocity. Velocity. It's going to generate. Look how this video, I like this one better. You see how it makes the video move? This is how we edit our daily vlog. I know you've been asking, oh my god, how can I edit? Oh my god, I want to edit. With these vlogs, you want to be with these vlogs, to make a vlog, you want to be recording what you do throughout the day. If you go get pizza, record that. You go get coffee, record that. You go take a drive, record that. You go walk your dog, record that. You take all those clips, you download the app Capcut, you put it into that app, you insert all the videos there, you trim it down. I would say depending on how long you want your video to be, I like my videos to be 15 to 20 seconds. I usually go to 15 seconds videos. 10 or 15 or 20. I like that. Short videos keep the people engaged and it keeps it moving. It keeps it quick. Nobody want to look at an hour, a minute vlog. Some people do, but not really. A minute vlog, too long. 10 seconds, 15 or 20. That's why I like to keep my videos. You insert all the clips. You trim your clips down about 7 to 8 seconds. If that. Yeah, 7 to 8 seconds. That's cool. You trim it down. You make every video. Trim, trim, trim. Boom. That's your vlog. You go on TikTok. You find the sound. I like to keep my sound in the favorites. Look at how many sounds I have. I don't know if you guys can see, but yes, it's a lot of sounds. I like to keep my sounds in the favorites. So when I put my video up there, boom, I already know the sound I want. The sound, it tells you 12 seconds, a minute, 9 seconds. So depending on how long your video is, you choose a sound. Oh wow, yeah, it does that silly screenshot thing. You choose a sound, upload your video onto TikTok, boom. Now you have a daily vlog. You might want to write some words on it Monday. You might want to write some words on it Monday, or daily vlog, or mini vlog, or I like to sometimes say daily vlog, ice cream, out to eat. Show you another vlog where I did, and it's quick. I don't want to play the music on me copyrighted. A nice quick vlog. That's how you edit to get the many. That's how you edit to get the many daily vlogs. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, sub. And that was a little video because I keep seeing people, oh my god, how to edit. How I actually have a video on my TikTok page if you guys are willing to watch. If this wasn't enough for you and you need like more, I have the videos pinned right here on my page. I have one video right here and then the other one down here. They're actually doing really good. They're doing some numbers. This one got 112K. People are saying thank you. I'm doing the Lord's work. So if you guys do need help, I can talk. It's April here _1_, and you can look at the video if you need more help on how to edit. Ooh, looks so cute. Later.